It's really nice to see you again tonight, guys. It's been a blast to be here with you guys in a good condition, okay, healthy, all right, happy and peacefully. All right, guys. So today, we are going to continue the chapter 8, conversation, and then moving forward with the grammar. The grammar that we're learning in this chapter is actually continuing for the rest of the grammars that we already learned from the previous chapters. Okay. So it's not much left for the comprehension test and discussion related to the passage, the dialogue. Okay. Let's see. Yes. I believe Mr. Tony already sent you guys the file for you guys to review, and then so you guys have a little bit understanding before me moving forward, and then understand what I'm explaining. All right. After that, I've explained a little bit about the tenses. We'll move on to the exercise to see how much you guys understand that tenses in English. Okay. So we're gonna do slowly, but for sure you make sure that you guys understand about it. All right. Well, let's continue with our role play for the conversation of chapter 8, which is talking about the planning of going to the market. Okay. All right, so I'm going to need some volunteers, guys. Right. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. I'm expecting 15 volunteers for the dialogues. For you guys to practice your pronunciation, and then, excuse me, okay, your pronunciation and also intonation, guys. Okay. All right. Let me see. I really appreciate Nani for always be the first to raise your hands. Really love your spirit, your enthusiastic learning this. Okay, keep it up. Okay, you know, practice makes progress, right? So the more you practice, the more progress you guys gonna see. Okay, it's not practice makes perfect now. Okay, right now it's like a practice makes progress. Okay. All right, so let's see. Nani already had the chance of 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna assign Martha's dialogue number 1, 2, 3 for Mr. Amin first. Okay. And then for Nani, I'll have you do the Martha number 4, 5, 6. Because you had the chance to, chance to do the dialogues of the first 3 already. So I'll give you a different parts. That way you have to experience how to say the pronounce it, all the different words correctly. All right. Now, Mr. Amin's doing Martha number 1, 2, 3. Nani is doing Martha number 4, 5, 6. And then I'll see Hadisha. Hadisha, you are doing Laura's number 1 and 2. And then Laura's, okay. Jennifer already also. Okay. See, okay, Jen. Jane, you are doing Laura's number 6, 7, 8, okay? I'm so proud of you guys. I have so many partners in learning this English with you guys, and then I love you guys' spirit, okay? Like Mr. Ami, like Jane, or Miss Lily, a lot of you guys are consistently, okay? Okay, that's good. Really proud. Keep up your discipline of being consistent, learning the conversation, and then you will for sure see the improvement, the progress. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second. So I see Miss Suchi. Long time no see, Miss Suchi. Hopefully you doing good. Okay, Miss Suchi, you are doing Miss Laura 345. Okay. 2, 3, 4. And then Martha 7, 8, 9. All right, so let's see. Let's give a little bit time for the rest of the class to get prepared themselves, okay? Because right now I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. One was Nani. Nani is not here anymore. Maybe she got cut off, huh? I don't see Nani on the screen right now. Okay. All right, so let's wait until like 7:12. Okay. Meanwhile, any question you guys can write on the chat. Okay, I'm going to what do you call help you guys, try to give you solution. Okay. Okay, there you go. Let's see. Anybody else want to participate in the role plays, guys? It'd be nice if we see we hear new voices, guys. This is the time for you to practice before move on to the real world out there. All right. Let's see, okay. Or maybe everybody oh, okay. So right now it's the terms, huh? The final terms of the school, right? So maybe some of our friends are taking the test and then getting themselves ready for the following day's test. Okay, so that's why we don't see many yet. All right. Okay. Anybody interested in doing the role plays for the conversation? Okay. You may raise your hands. That way I can assign you which parts. All right. Okay. Thank you, Ilman. All right, Ilman. Ilman, I'll assign you dialogue of Martha number 7, 8, 9. Okay. Martha's dialogue are numbers in blue. Okay. So Ilman's doing Martha's dialogue number 7, 8, 9. All right. Nani is back. Thank goodness. Okay. All right, anybody else want to try to do the conversation? Okay, so let's move on then, huh? Okay, so it's enough time. Maybe later on and then Agnes, thank you for your spirit. All right, let's see. Agnes, I'll have you do the Laura's dialect number. All right. Maybe the reception, huh? Okay, I lost her. Okay. All right. We lost Agnes. I believe it was Agnes. All right. So anyway, so since I only have you guys for right now, I'm going to assign you double. Okay. So later for the rest of the class, they may get a turns for answering or discussion of this stuff. Okay. So, okay. All right then. See, Nani. Okay, Nani receptions is not clear also, not stable, huh? So keep on going in and out. Okay, let me see. Okay, give me one moment, guys. All right, see, I see Agnes. Agnes, you are doing Laura's number 9, 10, 11, okay? Hopefully your reception is stable enough to stay on this Zoom. Agnes doing Laura's 9, 10, 11. All right, let me repeat again, okay, guys? Okay, I'm gonna give you double the role plays, guys, okay? Mr. Amin, all right? For doing Martha 10, 11, 12. Jane, you are doing Laura's 12, 13, 14. And then Hadisha's doing Martha's 13, 14, 15. And then Misuchi's doing Laura's 15, 16, 17. And then, who's this? Ilman doing Martha's 16, 17, 18. And then, let's see, anybody else? Oh, I don't see Nani. Ooh, all right. Agnes doing Laura's 18, 19. Okay. Allow me to repeat, guys. Mr. Amin doing Martha number 1, 2, 3. Hadisha doing Laura 1, 1 and 2. Miss Suchil doing Laura's 3, 4, 5. Okay, Nani. Let me see if Nani is already here. No. All right, skip on Nani. Jane, you are doing Laura 6, 7, 8. Mr. Ilman, Martha 7, 8, 9. Agnes doing Laura 9, 10, 11. Mr. Amin doing Martha 10, 11, 12. Jane's doing Laura's 12, 13, 14. Hadisha's doing Martha 13, 14, 15. Miss Suchi's doing Laura's 15, 16, 17. Martha's doing Elman doing Martha 16, 17, 18. Agnes doing Laura's 18, 19. And okay, we lost Nani. Okay, guys. Moment. Allow me to unmute you guys.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening, Miss Susan. How are you?
Good evening. How you guys
How are you,
doing?
Miss?
Evening, Miss Susan. How are you?
I'm doing great, guys. Okay, Nani back. All right, Nani, you are doing Martha 4, 5, 6 and Martha 19, 20, 21. All right.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Jane. Are you tired?
Yes, because yesterday I was on outing.
Oh, okay.
Activities.
Must be sore, huh? The whole body sore?
Not really.
Not
I'm
really.
currently okay
Still
for today.
exhausted though.
Yeah, but it's so
Yes, we can
fun
hear from
at
your
the same
voice,
time.
but thank you for still joining the class, no, Jane?
All right,
Good
Miss.
for you. All right. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me see. Aduh, Nani. Okay, Nani lost again. Okay. Agnes, allow me to unmute you, okay? Nani, are you here? Nani, are you here? Allow me to unmute you.
Makan belum selesai dia di beol.
Nani is here. Well, I'm not able to unmute her. Okay, let's just move on, guys. Hold on, okay? Give me 1 second. Let me fix this screen. Okay, a moment. Let's try again, guys. Well, my internet is stable also. All right, anyway, let's start with Mr. Amin. Any question before we start this role plays?
Yes,
Otherwise,
Miss.
we can start.
I, Miss Susan, I cannot see. I only see the conversation between Laura and Martha. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 sentence. No, only 7 paragraph.
Who's talking?
I am. Miss.
Agnes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Agnes. Okay, Agnes, you are doing Laura's
Number
number 9,
9,
10,
10, and
11.
11. Where is my
Also,
part?
Laura's 9, 18, and 19.
Yes.
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 As we do the conversation, I'm gonna pull up the screen later on. Okay.
Oh, I
You
see.
see,
Oh,
we have a
okay,
lot.
okay. 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 Thank you, Miss.
Okay. You are welcome. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, there you go. All right, whenever you're ready, start with Mr. Amin.
It's me. Martha, yeah. It's Martha. I guess I can. I'm done with my homework.
I
What
think
did
Laura's
Martha?
first.
Hold on.
Laura's first,
Hold on.
not Martha.
Sorry, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on. There you go. Laura first. Hadisha, huh? Oh, she's still muted. Give me 1 second, okay? All right, Hadisha,
Okay,
your
Miss.
turn. Sorry.
Yes, Miss. Mom had expected me to shopping before she left for work this morning, but I need to finish my school project. Can you go for me, Martha?
I guess I can. I'm done with my homework. What did mom want you to buy?
Well, she wanted me to buy enough groceries for the whole week. Besides this meat, some fish and vegetables, we can buy whatever else we want for snacks and breakfast.
What do you want for breakfast?
I guess some cereal as usual.
I do not want cereal every day. I will buy some pancakes and syrup then.
Get the new fine food pancakes in the frozen food section, please. I want to see how it tastes.
Give me 1 second. Okay, that's Nani or well, she's not here. All right. Do we still have enough coffee and cream for mom and dad?
Yes, we do. Talking about coffee and cream, you better buy some milk also. We almost ran out of it.
Next, what do you want for snacks?
Some chips will be fine with me. You probably want your chocolate cookies.
I better write down all these things. Otherwise, I will forget them by the time I get to the market. I would have to make 2 trips to take care of things.
Right? As far as meat, Mom wants some pork and some chicken.
Just any kind of pork.
I forgot to ask Mom about that. Anyways, you can ask the butcher for his opinion. He knows what is best.
How about fish?
Give me 1 second. Okay, where's Agnes? Well, I lost it. Okay. About fish. Okay. Mom wants some salmon and some catfish. Make sure that they are fresh.
How much salmon and catfish should I buy?
Oh, buy 4 pieces of salmon fillet and 4 pieces of catfish fillet. Mom does not like to get the whole fish.
Are these fish filled sold by weight or by the piece?
I am not very sure. Just buy 4 decent sized pieces. Not too big and not too small.
Do I need to buy some spice so mom can marinate the fish?
Yes, get some ground pepper and some garlic.
Now, how about vegetable? Mom probably want carrots, potatoes, cabbage, and some lettuce.
That would be fine. We need some fruits also. What do you want?
Get a rice, eggs, and apple for the lunch. Every day I want the same thing.
We have already run out of eggs. So get a carton of eggs also.
How about some soft drinks?
No, buy some water instead. It is healthier for us. We need to cut down on our intake of sugar, as too much sugar is not good for our bodies.
I need to put bread on the list before I forget. Shall I get one loaf or two?
One loaf will be enough. Put down a bag of rice also.
Ilman is here. Ilman. Okay, I don't see Ilman. We lost him. All right. Do we need anything for dessert?
Get a box of ice cream.
Ice cream? It's an ice cream packed with sugar.
Yes.
Agnes.
Yes, but since I already drink water instead of soft drinks, 1 or perhaps 2 scoops of ice cream after dinner is not too bad. Besides, I love ice cream, especially cherry vanilla.
Okay, I will put down 1 box of ice cream if you say so. Do you want me to buy some pastries for you?
Yes, But since I know the pastries at the market are delicious. However, no is my answer. Do not tempt me, Martha.
Just asking, Laura.
You have quite a few items to take care of. You need to get going.
Yes, the list is quite long. By the time I get to the cashier to pay, I will probably have a full cart, full shopping cart. Okay, I'm all set to go. I will be back soon. Drive carefully, please. Oh, well, okay. All right. We lost some of the some of the friends connection is just like going in and out, so we don't see them here. Okay, so that's why okay, so I had to take over. Okay, well, it's not that many, guys. Very good, a lot of improvement. Let me see. Let's go check it out really quick, really quick. Let's see, Laura's. Yeah. Laura, number 2. Laura's number 2. Groceries, okay. Groceries, no, groceries, okay. Groceries, no, the E after C is gonna be silent. Groceries, all right, Laura. Enough groceries for the whole week, okay. Next we have for Laura. Laura number 4. Breakfast, where's breakfast? Okay, sorry, it's Martha number 2. What do you want for break? Okay, what do you want for breakfast? Instead of brick, it's just, what do you want for breakfast? Breakfast, okay? Breakfast, okay? Now it's number 10, Martha. Martha number 10. Martha number 10, guys. We have Martha number 10. Okay, Martha number 10. Okay, are these fish fillets, are these fish fillets sold by weight or by piece? Now, the word that you have guys to pay attention is the fillet. Fillet. So the key is going to be silent, guys. Are these fish fillets sold by weight or by the pieces? Okay, fillets. Okay. There. That's it, guys. Very good. Only those 4. All right. Let's continue to the. Let's see, what did we left off last week? On the discussion, guys. Finish all the comprehension tests. Let's go move on to the discussion. Discussion, we answer number A already. How often does your family go to the market for grocery? Okay. Okay, already answered. All right, let's go to the next one. Do you like to go to the market? Why and why not? Okay, give your reason whether you like it or not. Let's see. One moment. Okay. Okay, let's have Miss Suchi, try number 2, huh? Do you like to go to the market? Why and why not? Apakah kamu suka pergi ke pasar ya? No, well, since here in this conversation, we're talking about the supermarket instead of traditional market, we can say that, okay? Meaning here, like, do you like to go to the supermarket instead of the traditional market, okay, guys? Okay, allow me to unmute you, Miss Suchi. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Number.
This is do you like to go to the market?
Supermarket, yes, supermarket. Since this is the we're talking about supermarket instead of traditional market. Okay. This is your opinion. This is a discussion, nothing related to the conversation. Yes.
Yeah. I like go to the market. I like buy the vegetables and some meat. I like going to the market because the market is the property is very fresh.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, give me one moment. Okay, let me do this. All right. Let me ask you this. Do you like to go to the market when the question start with the do, does, or to be, am, is, are? Our answer is going to either be yes or no, right? So what's your answer? Do you like to go to the market?
Yes, I like to go to the market.
Yes, I do, right? Yes, you can just answer like, yes, I do. Or you can answer, yes, I like to go to the market. Okay. Now, the next question is, why do you like to go to the market? And then you answer, I like to go to the market. Why? Apa alasannya? Hold on. Okay, like this. Okay, kalau pertanyaannya diawali dengan kata do atau does, or atau kata to be, am, is, are, jawabannya itu adalah yes atau yes or no. Okay, then okay, so your answer is either can be short one like that, yes I do, or you can answer yes I like to go to the market. Okay, this either one is right. Okay, now the second question on that number B is why. So you're gonna need to express your reason, okay, your excuse why you like being in like to go to the market. Okay, jadi yang pertanyaan kedua di nomor B ini adalah why. Jadi diperlukan suatu penjelasan alasan mengapa memilih why atau no. Okay, so why do you like?
Yeah, it's because of the vegetable or the things is fresh.
Okay. So vegetable instead of vegetables is vegetables. Would you like to try to pronounce it? Vegetables?
Yeah. I mean,
bisa
the
tiru.
vegetable is fresh.
Okay, so okay. So I like to go to because the vegetables, because it's more than one, we're gonna use are. Okay, are fresh. Anything else why you pick you like to go to the market? Apakah ada alasan lain yang membuat Misuji suka pergi ke market? Okay, maybe the choices are more, right? There,
yeah.
The choices besides vegetable, we can buy what do you call the like the snacks, right? The snacks, and also like we'll see the noodle, instant noodle, anything else, right?
Maybe
so
fish.
Maybe the choices. You go ahead.
Yeah, it's maybe some fish is fresh too. Are fresh too.
Meat, you mean meat, daging ya?
Ya, daging sama ikan.
Oh, okay. Okay. The vegetables, fish, and the meat are fresh. And meat are fresh. Yes, okay. Anything else? Your reason?
No, miss, because
That's it. Okay,
I
very
like
good.
buy vegetable.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you for
You're
your
welcome,
opinion. Okay, very good. Okay, so here we hear from Miss Suchi that she likes to go to the market because the choices of the vegetables, fish, and also the meat are fresh. Okay, guys. So that's her reason pick the supermarket instead of the traditional market. I guess that's what our country have, right? Okay. So different in a different countries we have a different kind of markets. Okay. Now number C, describe the regular meals that you have during the day. Coba digambarkan ini. Kira-kira makanan apa yang kamu makan saat siang hari. Okay. I'll have Agnes.
Yes, Miss.
All right, Agnes. Let's describe the
the-
regular meals that you have during the day.
Yes. The difference between supermarket and traditional market, yes, Miss.
Oh no, number C now. Jadi
number
coba
C.
dijelasin biasanya itu kalau
Number
siang makan apa aja begitu kira-kira.
Oh. At lunch, I eat noodles with some pork and vegetable and onion, green onion, I mean.
Scallion, huh? Okay. All right, so let's see. Describe the regular meals that you have during the day. So you can let's say like this. You can start with I usually have noodle with pork and
green onion.
Coba di bahasa Indonesia kan.
Mie.
Makan mie
dengan daging
daging
babi
sama
daun bawang.
Oh, okay. Noodle comes with the pork and then the scallion. Yes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I usually have noodle with pork and some you can either say green onions or scallions. Okay? It's the same one.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right,
Miss.
very good. Thank you. Okay, so Miss Agnes say here, okay, she usually have noodle with pork and some scallions, okay, during the day. During the day, okay. Okay, so that's during the day, so that's lunch, okay. All right, that's it for the discussion. Pretty short how to express. But at least when you answer this, you try to make up your whatever your opinions your in your mind into the sentences. Okay, that's how we learn how to express in the different languages. Okay, now let's continue to our grammar. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, allow me to share a different screen here. Okay, guys, so this is actually, okay, there are about like 12 tenses in what do you call in English. Okay, so that's pretty easy when there is present past. Okay, present past of what? Okay, that's it. Okay, so a previous chapter we learned about the simple tense, present simple tense, and then present progressive tense. Okay, so now we continue with the different ones. This is past tense. Okay, I believe you guys already know how the past tense. Yes, explaining what happened in the past. Okay, and then example here we have I talked to him. Okay, we met yesterday. Usually past tense comes with the time explanation. Okay, guys, with the time marker, which is yesterday, last week, 2 days ago. Okay, like that. Okay. So when there is question with those kind of time marker, you know, oh, I need to use the past tense. Okay. And then we have, moving on, we have past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense still talking about the something happened in the past. Okay, give me 1 second. Hold on. Okay, guys, let me stop this really quick. Okay, because it's okay. Let me see my screen. Okay, give me 1 moment, guys. Second. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I don't know why I'm not able to share this. Okay, 1 moment, guys. Let me try to just move it by itself. Hold on, hold on. Okay, next we have the past continuous tense. When you guys hear the word continuous or the word progressive, okay, sometimes they say it's progressive, past progressive tense, then that you know that the verb has to add the ing on it. Okay, like here we have past continuous tense. Okay, so you're gonna use the subject with the proper to be, and then the verb plus ing, guys. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, guys. Next we have anyway. Hold on, guys. I'm not able to control this. Okay, just give me 1 second. Let's try to set it. Next, we have the present perfect tense. When you guys have the perfect tense, okay, only the tenses with the perfect, okay, either present perfect or past perfect or present progressive or continuous perfect tense, then that has to use the past participle, which sometimes people call that as like verb 3, the form of verb number 3. Okay. All right. So right here, present perfect tenses. Okay. This the present perfect tense is occurred in the past but still have the effect in the present here. Okay, let's say we have the example here. She has not finished her work yet. So she started, okay, she started already. Right now the effect is hasn't finished yet. Okay, I have seen that movie twice. So in the past, this here I saw that movie, and then right now is the effect is been to. Okay. And then also we have present perfect continuous with the ing. Okay. Perfect with the since is the ing. Okay. So we're gonna use this. Let's check it out on the formula, guys. Don't know why it's it like this. So the formula, okay, since it's a perfect, so you're gonna use the have or has plus the been, okay, because there is a continuous there. Okay, continuous. Then been is the other one, the to be for past participle. Let's see the sentence here. Example: I have been learning English for many years. Okay. So it started in the past and right now it's still continuing. That's why you use continuous. Okay. So meaning like this, I've been learning English for many years. So I started in the past and right now I'm still doing it. Okay. Then you use the present perfect continuous tense. Then usually we use the word, there is a time marker such as for, since, like that. Okay. So pay attention to the time marker there. Jadi macam-macam tenses dalam bahasa Inggris itu biasanya ada ciri-ciri tersendiri ya. Seperti past tense itu ada kata-kata yang menunjukkan waktu seperti yesterday, last week, 2 days ago. Okay, so when you see in the question like that, once you see that kind of time marker, then you definitely can answer that correctly right now. Okay. Nah, kalau untuk yang present perfect continuous, okay, then we usually have the for and since. Untuk present continuous itu ada kata for and since, okay. Now, next we have past perfect tense, okay. Now, we're gonna use had plus the past participle here. Past participle is the form of the verbs of number 3. Like gun here, okay? Such as we can see the example here, the gun. Gun is the past participle of go, when, gone. Go is the present tense, when is the past tense, and then gone is the past participle, which we use on the perfect tense. Okay. All right. My screen is just moving by itself. I cannot make it faster or slower, so that's why we're still waiting on this. Okay, guys. Something wrong with the cursor, I guess. Just 1 second. Next, we have past perfect continuous. Okay, remember continuous tense. We always have the verb plus ing. Okay, since the past perfect, we're gonna use had been. Okay, been is always comes with the perfect continuous. Okay, it started in the past and continue into another action or another time. Okay, so a different action. Okay, or another time. That's when we use the past perfect continuous tense, guys. Okay, let's see the example here. The formula is had been plus verb plus ing, okay? And then it's already provided some of the exercise also. Hopefully you guys can do it. Try your best. And then we're gonna discuss it on the following week, okay, guys? Following week, we discuss your answer and then see how much you understand from this explanation on the PDF, okay? Now we have this example here. Had she been washing dishes all day? Then, okay, in the day, washing dishes is starting in the past there. And then right now is still washing it another time, okay? That's why we use that. She had been reading magazine for 1 month before she decided to apply for a job. Okay, now here, so what happened in the past, what was reading a magazine, and then right now another action is applying for the job. Okay, well guys, maybe it's my internet also. Okay. Right, let's see. Well, any question, guys, about the tenses? I believe you guys already read it. Any question, you can raise your hands, and then because I'm not able to go anywhere here. It's moving so slowly. Okay, let's just go here then. Okay, here. Okay, here. We have there past perfect tenses, already progressive. Okay, so we just learned a lot of the progressive, the perfect tense this week. Okay, this chapter. Okay, it's a past perfect progressive, past perfect, and then past perfect present perfect progressive. Okay, on top of the past tense. Okay, a lot of the perfect tenses, guys. Okay, and it's easy. Okay, like this is what I said about the present tense here, using the present verb, and this is the past verb, and this is the past participle. Okay, now let's see the example. The verb is read, the present is read, past tense is read, and then past participle is read. Okay, for the word, the verb read, for present, past tense, and past participle is pronounced this. Spelled the same. Spelled the same, but it's pronounced just different. Okay, that's for read. Okay, jadi untuk khusus untuk kata read ya, untuk read yang artinya membaca, itu untuk penggunaan di present tense itu, present tense, past tense, maupun past participle itu tulisannya sama ya, ejaannya sama, tapi saat dibaca, saat di-pronounce itu berbeda ya. I read the magazine today, and then I read the magazine yesterday. Okay, penulisannya sama, tapi pengucapannya berbeda, pengejaannya berbeda. Kemudian untuk past participle is still the same but rather different. Okay, pronounced different way. Okay, guys, I have read the magazine. Okay, that. Okay, so I as far as I remember, only that word that's written spelled the same but pronounced differently. I'll remind you guys whenever I recall my memory about that. Okay, the some of the words. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so you guys can review again, okay, on the PDF that Mr. Tony already sent you guys, and then figure out the questions, and then we'll discuss it next week, guys. Okay, sorry about this internet, like all this. Okay, guys, so the inconvenience for us, right? Okay, well, I'll end the class tonight. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Okay. And then until then, stay healthy, be happy, and then
Thank
full
you,
of energy,
Miss.
guys. Okay, thank you,
Good night.
guys.
Thank you, Miss Susan.
Thank you,
Good night,
ma'am.
guys.